Ralph from San Antonio has a question about water intrusion.
Yeah, it's a 4 or 5 year issue in his garden home, Tom. Ralph writes, after a legal battle and some repairs done, I have still got water coming in after a heavy rainfall. And he even sent us this video.
This is the room where the problem was with the water intrusion. This sheetrock on the other side of it is a wall that separates me and my neighbor. And so the water is coming in, the majority of it is coming in right there and somewhat over here. So I'm using these water dams to keep the water back when it rains too hard. And back that way is the bathroom with a toilet to the left, and there's water coming in there as well.
And I can't tell him where it's from. I mean, I know he's got a water problem, and it happens when it rains, so that's a good thing to say. It could be a roof, or it could be outdoor drainage that's happening. So that's where you have to start. I'd start with a roofer and get a good roofer. Now, he says that he's attached to his neighbor, so it's one of those things where you can't do anything to your neighbor's property.
Right.
So
But if they're joined together, they're sharing a roof, I would think the neighbor would want to...
Maybe the neighbor doesn't have any problem. Maybe it's a firewall, and one side's the flashing is bad, the other side the flashing is good.
Okay.
So I'd start with a roofer and make sure rule that all out, and then you get into the yard drainage systems, because it happens when it rains. It's that simple.
So it's either falling rain or collecting more water. Building up one way or the other. So start with the roof, then call a landscaper.
I would, and see if the roofer can fix it. And putting a dam on the inside of the home is not helping you.
Not going to help.
It's doing something for you, make you feel better. But
put a levee inside your home, probably not a good thing.
Yeah, it's like a boat. You have to fix it on the outside, not the inside.
All right. You got a question? We'll fix it wherever it needs help. Just visit our HomeShowRadio.com page right there in the center. You'll find a button that says Ask Tom. Click on that. Fill out the form and send it in. We'll use your question in one of these videos or our Facebook Live.
Ding!